Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 127 Summerhill Drive. You looking for an easy care brick and stucco home, section big enough to play on but easy enough to care for? Then you're in luck. This home has all your modern features. We've got 3 bedrooms, plus an office, 2 bathrooms, internal access carpeted garage, heat pump, all your comforts that you need. But that's enough for me. Let's go through and have a look. As the old saying goes, location, location, location. Here in Summerhill are some fantastic walking tracks. This house is zoned for Palmerston North Boys High, Palmerston North Girls High and PNINS, and 100 metres down the road is a fantastic coffee cart. Give me a call, come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.